They're gonna be like, oh, you went to Hawaii?
Yes, bitch, I did.
Yeah.
Flew out.
What?
Okay. You can't roll our R's, so okay. Yes. As always, greetings and salutations, y'all. I'm Sarah and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a review on this premium deluxe lace front wig that I got from samsbeauty.com in the color rose gold. Just unboxing it and show you guys everything that comes with the package, standard info card with all the information of the unit on it as well, and some of the different colors that the unit comes in on the back. So taking the hair out of the unit, I'm just kind of running my fingers through it to see if there's any tangling. The unit was extremely soft, as you can see me getting hype over in the back in the video. There are also baby hairs that come with the unit. I ended up going in and plucking some of my own also. This is how far the part is, and there is a clip on the left and right hand side, as well as a clip in the back and 2 clips on the sides for adjusting the head strap. So just plopping the unit on my head, this is what the parting looks like with no manipulation. Somewhat natural, but I still went in and kind of plucked in some of my own. There was just this weird little bump in the back, so I did use some Got To Be Freeze spray to get that a little bit more flat. This is what it looks like as a left part. I really love the highlights in this unit and the color overall. And switching it to the other side, this is how it looks as a right part. So it is a frontal unit, but if you choose to wear it as a left or right part, this is about how far the frontal goes. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys how that looks. So after plucking the part, this is what the unit looks like. There was basically no shedding. I got a couple of shed hairs, but that was after plucking the unit. The luster on this was very natural and the color was very, very nice. In terms of the fullness, no complaints at all. But in terms of the parting, I'm pretty good at plucking my units, but I felt like this one was a little bit more difficult to pluck. It took me about 15 minutes just to pluck it that much, so that was the only downfall for it. And this is big head friendly. That's about how much hair I plucked out of the unit. For my final thoughts on it, I gave it a 4.5 out of 5 just because it took me so long to pluck the part. And overall, I think this is a great wig. I think it's a long-lasting wig as well. So if you're looking for a wig that you can wear every day, I definitely would recommend this one. The color is great and it comes in a whole bunch of different colors. So if you're looking for something new and exciting, I would recommend this wig. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and see you on my next video.